Hey, actually, it's 25 feet from the door to be smoking, so can you just scoot over a little bit? The other way? Excellent. Thanks a lot, buddy. Appreciate it. Yeah, so when Sonic the Hedgehog, because the graphic comes up, if you hit up, down, left, right, A, B, you could go to any level you want.
You're kidding!
Yeah, it's the coolest thing ever. And then if you go in Mario 2, if you go over and do this. What was that?
Stop! Stop! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
What are you doing to my car?
Otter, slow down, you're going too fast.
I know, well, we are DPS. I can't disobey what we're trying to enforce. I think we're gaining on him.
He thinks he can get away.
I think we're gonna get him right up here. I'm gonna hammer it here in a minute.
He is toast. He is toast and bananas.
Good job, Esther. I think he hears us.
What?
I think he hears us. I think he's pulling over.
Pull over! Pull over! Hey, oh my god. It's 25 here, Otter.
What?
Don't. Not worth the charger's
But we're so
bet.
close.
It is not worth the charger's bet. Slow down. Didn't they teach you anything?
He's getting away.